The Stoic morning routine, your secret to a productive day. In the silence of the morning, as the sun rises over the horizon, bathing the world in a golden light, is the secret to a productive Stoic morning routine. This is the moment when the day takes its first breath, and you have the opportunity to shape it according to your own principles. The Stoics, led by thinkers like Seneca, Epictet, and Marcus Aurelius, taught us that the beginning of the day is crucial. But have you ever asked yourself what these principles are and how you can apply them to your own life? How can you use the wisdom of the Stoics to have a productive and fulfilling day as you face today's challenges? In this video, together, we will unravel the secret of the Stoic morning routine and show you how to apply it to your modern life. Are you ready to discover the wisdom of Stoicism and transform your day? Let's dive in and find out how to live your life in the silence of the morning according to Stoic principles. Taking control of your time is the first step to mastering your Stoic morning routine. Don't start your day in a hectic rush, but with a conscious decision to gently turn off the alarm clock and allow yourself a moment of silence. Here are some concrete examples of how to take control of your morning. Get up early. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius valued the early morning hours as a time for rest and self-reflection. Set a goal to get up early to make the most of this precious time. Develop morning rituals. Create personal morning rituals to get you ready for the day. This could be enjoying a cup of tea or coffee, reading inspirational literature, or writing in a journal. Set goals. As Seneca pointed out, it's important to know how to use your time. Take a moment to think about your goals for the day. What are your most important tasks? What personal goals do you want to achieve? The idea behind these actions is to start the day consciously and purposefully. By taking control of your time from the external demands and distractions of modern life. Seneca's words. We have all the time in the world, if only we know how to use it. Remember, it's not the quantity of time, but the quality of time. Use the morning hours to focus on the essentials and organize your day wisely. The power of self-reflection. The power of self-reflection is another cornerstone of the Stoic morning routine. Keeping a journal can help you organize your thoughts and create a deeper connection with your own feelings. In addition to Epictet's wisdom, that it is not the things themselves that bother us, but the opinions we have about them, there are other Stoic principles that emphasize the importance of self-reflection. Self-knowledge. Seneca emphasized the importance of self-awareness. By putting your thoughts on paper, you gain clear insight into your beliefs and values. This allows you to make conscious decisions and better manage your reactions to external influences. Mindfulness. The Stoics emphasized mindfulness, the conscious awareness of the present moment. Journaling can help you become more mindful and focused on the here and now. Controlling emotions. The quote from Epictet emphasizes that it is not the external events that bother us, but our opinions about them. By journaling your thoughts and feelings, you can learn to understand and control your emotions. Think about your goals. The Stoics emphasize the importance of setting clear goals and values. Journaling gives you the opportunity to reflect on your long-term goals and plan steps to achieve them. Keeping a journal is a practical way to put Stoic principles into practice. It allows you to structure your thoughts, increase your self-awareness, and connect deeply with your inner beliefs. You can use the power of self-reflection to organize your day and your life according to Stoic principles. Silence and meditation. Another important part of the Stoic morning routine is silence and meditation. Stoics value the power of meditation as a way to quiet the mind and center thoughts. In today's world of constant noise and distraction, the importance of silence becomes even more apparent. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, if you want to understand yourself, you must love silence. These words point to the transformative power of silence. In silence, you can find yourself, organize your thoughts, and develop a clear mind. The silence of the morning is an ideal setting for meditation and self-reflection. Here are some ways to incorporate silence into your morning. Meditation. Sit quietly and focus on your breathing. Allow thoughts to come and go without distraction. This helps to quiet your mind and find inner clarity. Enjoy nature. If possible, spend time in nature, whether in a garden, park, or on a walk in the area. The natural silence and beauty of nature can be soothing and inspiring. Silence at home. Take advantage of the time before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. Turn off electronic devices to create a quiet and undisturbed environment. Reflection. Use the silence to reflect on your goals, values, and priorities. What do you want to accomplish today? How do you want to grow? The Stoics taught that silence is a place of inner strength and clarity. It allows you to center your thoughts and focus on what is important. In a world full of noise and distractions, the silence of the morning is a gift that can help you deepen your Stoic morning routine and begin your day with calm and serenity. Exercise and health. The Stoics recognized the intimate connection between body and mind and emphasized the importance of physical activity for well-being. A morning walk or short jog can not only invigorate your body, but also refresh your mind. Epictetus aptly said that outdoor exercise is the most perfect expression of health. Here are some ways to incorporate exercise and health into your morning routine. Morning run. Start your day with a brisk walk. It can help boost your energy and activate your mind. Yoga or stretching. Practice yoga or do some stretching to relax your muscles and improve your flexibility. Breathing and meditation. Combine exercise with mindfulness practices. Breathe in and out consciously as you walk or run. This not only promotes physical health, but also mental clarity. Experience nature. Get outdoors whenever possible. A morning walk in the woods or a trip to the mountains allows you to enjoy the healing benefits of nature. The Stoics believed that physical health is a prerequisite for mental strength. By exercising regularly in the morning, you can not only improve your physical condition, but also strengthen your mental resilience. The fresh air and exercise will help clear your mind and prepare you for the challenges of the day. The art of nutrition. The Stoics saw food not only as a necessity, but also as an opportunity to practice self-control and mindfulness. A well-balanced meal in the morning gives your body the energy it needs to start the day, while strengthening your self-control, as Seneca aptly observed. We should not be guided by pleasure, but by utility. Here are some principles of Stoic eating that you can incorporate into your morning routine. Eat consciously. Instead of rushing through breakfast, take time to consciously enjoy your meal. Focus on the taste, texture, and nutritional value of your food. Make healthy choices. Choose foods that provide long-lasting energy, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. Eat in moderation. Be careful not to overeat. The Stoics taught that self-control is also important when it comes to eating. Listen to your body and eat only when you are truly hungry. Avoid overindulgence. Pleasure should not be the primary goal of eating. Avoid over-processed foods that provide only short-term satisfaction. The Stoic diet is based on the idea that the body and mind are intimately connected. By being aware and mindful, you can not only promote your physical health, but also strengthen your self-control and mindfulness. A balanced meal in the morning can give you the energy you need to start the day clear-headed and focused, and to face challenges with calm and composure. Wisdom from books. Wisdom from books was important to the Stoics. They recognized that reading can be a powerful source of education and wisdom. A good book has the ability to open new horizons, expand our thinking, and enrich us with valuable knowledge. Here are some ways to incorporate the Stoics' wisdom about reading and mornings into your routine. Read in the morning. Start your day by reading an inspiring book or text. This can be Stoic philosophy itself or other works that offer valuable insights. Self-education. Use the morning hours to educate yourself. Read books that will help you grow personally and professionally. Reflection. After reading something, take time to think about it and apply the insights to yourself and your life. How can the ideas in the book be relevant to your daily life? Notes and quotes. Write down important thoughts and quotes from your morning readings in a journal. This will allow you to refer back to that wisdom later. The Stoics believed in lifelong learning and the constant. Reading is a powerful tool to support this quest for knowledge. By immersing yourself in inspiring books in the morning hours, you can enhance your spiritual development and prepare yourself for a day of serenity and wisdom. After all, when you finish your morning routine, you are ready to take on the world. The Stoic in you is invigorated and ready to face the challenges of the day. The Stoic morning routine is not a rigid set of rules, but a philosophy of life. It reminds us that we are in control of our thoughts, actions, and reactions. Use this wisdom to shape your days, and you will see how you strengthen your inner strength and serenity to face the stormy world. Remember to subscribe to our channel to learn more about the timeless wisdom of the Stoics. May your day begin calmly and productively. See you next video.